Hey there, busy bees! Are you tired of snacking on junk food during your workday? Do you often find yourself reaching for caffeinated or sugary energy drinks to power through the afternoon slump? Well, fear not. Hi everyone, welcome to Vantage Fit, your complete corporate wellness solution. I'm Rituparna, and today I'll talk about how to maintain proper nutrition as working professionals and the secret to a healthy diet. First things first, let's talk about why proper nutrition is crucial for busy professionals. See, when we are juggling work, family, and social lives, it's easy to prioritize convenience over nutrition. But the truth is, poor nutrition may lead to fatigue, brain fog, decreased productivity, ultimately hurting your work performance. So to be productive, focused, and feel great throughout the day, you need to fuel your body with the right nutrients. So let us know, what are the foods that fall under the healthy category? First up, whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, whole grain bread, and whole grain pasta are a few of the great sources of complex carbs. They have higher fiber content and digest slower than simple carbs, which keeps you fuller for longer. These factors make them excellent for weight management. Second, foods like low-fat milk, eggs, chicken breast, tofu, salmon, tuna, beef, etc. are a few of the protein-rich foods that help build and repair your muscles. Next up, we have healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, nuts and seeds. Contrary to popular belief, these fats are actually good for you. They help the brain function more efficiently. And let's not forget about the power of fruits and veggies. They provide essential vitamins and minerals for maintaining a healthy mind and body. In a nutshell, the secret to a healthy diet for working professionals is simple: balance. Ensure every meal includes a good mix of carbs, protein, fats, and plenty of fruits and veggies. This winning combination will help you maintain a healthy lifestyle, healthy body weight, and keep you satiated and energized. And then you'll be ready to take on whatever challenges the workday throws your way. Now you may think, I'm a very busy person and I often skip breakfast. So there's a solution for that too. Yes, intermittent fasting is a common eating pattern that involves alternating between periods of eating and fasting. It's not just a fad. Many studies have shown that it can lead to significant health benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolism, and even longevity. So for busy professionals who are always on the go, intermittent fasting can be a game changer for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It encourages mindful meal planning and curbs the temptation to snack mindlessly throughout the day. So if you're trying to stay fit and focused while juggling a hectic schedule, why not give it a try? So now that you know what foods to eat and how to eat it, how do you keep track of your calorie intake? Well, Vantage Fit is a platform where employees can log their meals and track their calories. It's a fantastic tool for busy professionals who want to stay on track without sacrificing time and convenience. And to make things even easier, we have attached a PDF in the description filled with easy and healthy recipes for busy professionals like you. So no more excuses for skipping meals or relying on fast food. With Vantage Fit, you can take control of your nutrition and feel your best. But let's not forget about exercises, folks, because sitting at a desk all day long can be tough on our bodies. But fear not, we have a video on desk exercises coming up next. Make sure to check that out too. In conclusion, National Nutrition Month is the perfect time to focus on your health and wellness. And Vantage Fit is a perfect tool to help you do just that. So head over to Vantage Fit and take a demo today. Your body and your boss will thank you. Thank you for watching till the end. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more such helpful tips and tricks for thriving in the workplace.